Cavitation Island Site 7 has special erosion forms. We observe different interlinked erosion forms. Notice curvilinear plucking at red lines. Linear erosion form is broken by plucking at joints. These breaks are reshaped into new forms. The result is a distinctive fish scale pattern. Closer views reveal countless pit shapes, centimeter to decimeters in size. At closer look, we observe different pit forms: long strake, carrot shape, pit with coma tail, series of pits, pits with tails. Pitted forms occur in clusters with well-defined flow direction. Clusters of pits relate to rock layers. Topography affects the distributions of pitted form. Plucked breaks create local relief, erosion on lee side of the steps. And topographic steps control the distributions of pitting. This outcrop is a summary of events: main flow sculpting, plucked joints, plucked steps trigger new forms. Some pitting details, coma S forms, are linked to coma shape pitting.
With the convex side to the west on both the coma form with the staining and in the erosion form that has pitting and its carrot shape tapering down flow, pitted up flow, arcuate, asymmetric with the curvature to the west and smoothing and tapering down flow. And there are others that are asymmetrical in the same direction.
Yeah.
Like that. This one here on a Sisselvanen, one arm comes out like this, very smooth. So it's a coma form now. We have the pitting in alignment, pitting, and we notice that this pitting has an arc in the similar manner as this arm of the Sisselvanen. And it's opposite in sense of arcing to the ones we just looked at a few minutes ago. So what we've seen in total is an angular curvature on each of the paired arms of Sisselvanen leading into comas.